Hello everyone. So, you've heard of NFTs and how some people have made money through them. NFTs are the latest cryptocurrency sensation to go mainstream. If you're an entrepreneur or small business that creates some form of digital content, it makes sense for you to learn the ropes of making money through NFTs. The first step to making money with NFTs is to understand them. We'll provide a brief explanation of NFTs and guide you on how to make money with NFT by selling them. Let's first start by explaining what exactly NFTs are. NFTs, or Non Fungible Tokens, are pieces of cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain. They're used for real-world items like artwork, music art, and even real estate, but in a virtual capacity. Unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs cannot be traded or exchanged because they are not identical to one another. Think of baseball cards or a rare coin collection. NFTs create scarcity among assets that are otherwise infinitely available. They are typically used to buy and sell digital items like tweets, artwork, gaming skins, and virtual real estate. NFTs are generally sold on marketplaces with different processes, depending on the platform of your choice. Essentially, you'll upload your content to the marketplace, turn it into NFT, and wait for it to sell. It's very similar to Amazon or Etsy. If you already have a digital content portfolio for which you own the copyright, here's what you need to do next. Select your marketplace, mint the NFT, and link wallet. There are dozens of marketplaces for you to choose from. These include OpenSea, Axie Marketplace, Rarible, SuperRare, and Mintable. Have a quick look at these marketplaces and select one that best suits your content. Your next step is to mint the NFT. In simple terms, minting an NFT is the process of turning the digital file into a crypto collectible or a digital asset on the Ethereum blockchain. Though this may sound confusing, most, if not all, marketplaces will provide a step-by-step guide on minting your NFT right on their platform. Once you've selected the marketplace, you'll have to link your funded cryptocurrency wallet. 2. List NFT for sale. Once you have filled out the information and your file is uploaded and minted, it's time to list it for sale. After listing it for sale, you'll notice the marketplace will calculate gas fees. This is an Ethereum blockchain network fee to record the transactions. This fee will vary depending on how busy the network is. What is the future of NFTs? The future of any blockchain experiment is unknown. However, experts predict that NFTs are here to stay and will continue to grow beyond the art and gaming realm, especially if wealthy investors continue investing money. The growth of NFT can also be attributed to its features that can represent proof of ownership, provide social status, grant exclusive access, manage licensing, and certify authenticity. It allows you ownership of your products the way Bitcoin enables you to be your own banker. It's important to remember that while the process of selling NFTs may be straightforward, it may not be as easy as it seems. Minting your content and selling it will incur marketplace and Ethereum costs, which can be considerably high depending on when you're putting it up for sale. Trading NFTs can come with uncertainty, given the volatility of this young market. The best way to make money with NFT will differ by person. If you or your small business have money to spare, you can choose to buy an asset that will gain interest as time goes on and sell it when it appreciates. If you're a content creator, your best option would be to use NFT as an alternative way to monetize your talent.